Pellet manufacturers, don't miss out. The high-efficiency drum wood chipper is here. Large feed openings, wide range of applications. Main mechanism, uniform cutting and high efficiency. Feeding supports both belt conveyor and chain conveyor options. Discharge conveyor. Look at that output speed. Automatic material discharge is fast, uniform, and maintains stable specifications. Material discharge flat conveyor. Wood chippers feature advanced structure, automatic feeding, continuous operation, high capacity, and high-quality chip production. They are currently widely used in the initial stages of complete biomass pellet milling systems. Now let me show you our customized GX-18 wood chipper. This wood chipper can process raw materials with a maximum diameter of 300 mm, a cutter roller diameter of 800 mm, and a production capacity of 1020 th. Hydraulic system. From oil pump to cylinder, the cover can be opened for easy blade replacement. The feed roller assembly can be lifted during maintenance to facilitate adjustment of the gap between the flying knife and the bottom knife, as well as disassembly of the comb plate. Want to know about complete configurations for wood chippers and pellet mills? Leave a comment below, and we'll create the perfect technical solution for you.